Let's discuss a design technique that is rarely utilized, which involves the use of high gloss paint. This design suggestion is to make your home truly unique. The influence of high gloss paint can embark on a fascinating design adventure that will spark interest and captivate anyone that steps into your living area. With its bold and striking finish, high gloss paint can turn any ordinary room into an extraordinary statement. Break free from convention and explore unconventional surfaces to apply high gloss paint. Ceilings and trims are the perfect canvases for this design choice, elevating the room's aesthetic and creating a delightful surprise for all who enter. Even more minor details such as doors and furniture can be changed, adding a touch of subtle sophistication and creating a noticeable statement in your space. High gloss paint isn't limited to walls either. Think outside the box and experiment with applying it to cabinets or stairs. This bold and creative use of high gloss paint will undoubtedly catch the eye and leave an unforgettable impression. So, dare to be different. Embrace transformative power of high gloss paint and turn your space into a living masterpiece. Let your walls tell a story that invites curiosity and sets the space apart from the ordinary. Please share, like, and follow us for more content.